Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send snap are not being saved by friends. So let's open the Snapchat mobile application here and just give all the required permission. And just for you, I will take a snap here, right? And here, after taking the snap, I will just show you how to do it. So guys, in the bottom you will find this timer option. So just click on here, and basically this is a timer where you can set that for how much second your snap will be played, right? And after that, for example, if I set the timer till the 5 second, so after 5 second playing my snap or my story, it will get disappear, right? So nobody will be able to save. So if you want that your friend should save your snap or story, just make sure that you put here to no limit, and after that they will save it. And it's up to you. You can say you can just select any of the timer here and you can do it, and after that you can send it, right? This is it guys, and after that you can just click on the next and you can send it to your friend. So this is super easy. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.